Everyone expected Jersey prices to crash. They're up 8% instead, while half the country cools off. And here's the kicker. It's not greed, not speculation, it's policy. If you want the unfiltered truth about Jersey real estate, hit subscribe. This stuff doesn't make the evening news. From Bergen County to the Jersey Shore, buyers are facing something strange. Inventory is up. Mortgage rates hover near 7%, yet home prices are still inching higher month after month. In Lambertville, the median home now sells for about $530,000, up sharply from pre-pandemic levels. Even luxury listings, like a $2.75 million converted schoolhouse in Princeton, got 3 offers in 2 weeks. Stick around. I'll show you exactly how to play this market depending on whether you're buying, selling, or investing. So why is New Jersey defying gravity? Here are the 3 reasons Jersey defies the national trend, starting with the one nobody's talking about. The first reason prices keep rising is because of politics. New Jersey's 2026 budget, nearly $58.8 billion, up 2.5% from last year, proposes a real estate transfer fee hike. Homes over $2 million would face an extra $20,000 fee, climbing another 2.5% between $2.5 and $3 million. Supporters say it funds affordable housing. But here's the problem. A $1 million home is now a middle-class home in many parts of the state. Raise fees, and you discourage transactions, reducing supply even more. The result? Fewer listings, tighter inventory, and higher prices again. But the budget's just the surface. The real problem is buried in something way more boring, and it's choking supply. It costs too much to build. Material costs? Up 25%. Labor? Scarce. Zoning? A nightmare. Builders can't make money on affordable units anymore. So even if demand cooled, replacement cost keeps prices from dropping. Then there's the cost nobody budgets for. Insurance. Premiums across coastal counties jumped double digits this year, and some carriers quietly pulled out. When it's that expensive just to hold a property, fewer people sell. They cling to their low-rate mortgages, shrinking supply further. So nobody's selling, but people are still buying. And here's who. Remote workers from New York, Philadelphia, and D.C. still see New Jersey as affordable adjacent. A $700,000 home in Montclair looks cheap next to Brooklyn. That migration pressure keeps demand hot even when locals hesitate. It's a tug of war, local affordability versus regional migration. And migration keeps winning. Jersey's not one market. It's 2. At the top, demand is relentless. Luxury homes sell in days. At the bottom, working-class buyers can't qualify for loans at today's rates. So, median prices rise even if total sales fall. That's why price charts lie. They show rising prices when really it's just fewer, higher-end sales skewing the data. Shopping in Bergen County? Expect a bidding war. Mercer? You've got time to think. Shore towns? Hope your insurance agent likes you. In some zip codes, premiums now rival property taxes. Yet listings vanish in days, proving that lifestyle still beats logic. When everyone believes housing will stay expensive, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Buyers rush to lock in before it climbs again. Sellers pull listings, waiting for next spring. That emotional loop, fear of missing out versus fear of overpaying, keeps the market frozen in place. And frozen markets rarely crash. They just thaw slowly. For buyers, patience won't lower prices overnight, but timing matters. Look for homes with longer days on market or price reductions above 5%. For sellers, the peak frenzy's gone, but equity's real. If you've owned since 2020, odds are your home gained 20 to 30% in value. For investors, focus on rental yield, not quick flips. Rent growth still outpaces wages in most counties, keeping cash flow strong. So yes, prices are rising even as everyone waits for them to fall, because in New Jersey, supply is tight, costs are high, and policy may tighten it further. The real crash? It might be in affordability, not prices. The budget vote happens in April. If it passes, the transfer fee hits July 1st. That's your window. Next week, I'm breaking down which towns are actually affordable. Subscribe so you don't miss it.